Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to extend or add more space to C drive without formatting. Open File Explorer. I want to add F and G drives to C drive to increase C drive space. Right-click this PC, click Manage. Click Disk Management. Right-click Drive, click Delete Volume. Right-click Drive, click Delete Volume. Right-click Free Space, click Delete Partition. Now unallocated space is displayed. Right-click C drive, click Extend Volume. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.